we're going to add another sprite onto our game. And this time I'm going to add the carton sprite. So I choose sprite again, or the little kitty cat icon, and I look for the carton. So I scroll down until I find, I think it's called the milk carton. There it is there. And I select it. Now, as I'm creating orange juice, well, the first thing is I'm going to move it into the spot that I want it to appear. So I kind of want it to appear here. And as I'm creating orange juice, what I want to do is actually change the color of this to be orange. So the way I can do that is through the costumes menu. And you can see over here on the left-hand side, I have a tab called costumes with a paintbrush on it. So when I click on that costumes menu, and I click on the different parts of the milk crate, I can actually turn that to orange. So at the moment it's red, but I can make that orange. And I can easily do that by selecting the shape and then using this fill option to change it from that color. So drop down to the color, and I just use the color wheel to find orange. And then I can just do that same process for all the different shapes on the carton. So you don't have to do all of them, but you can do a few, and even if they're slightly different shades of orange, that's okay. Just to practice having a go at using the color wheel. There we go. And if I want to do the top, I can again just beautiful. Right, once I'm happy with my color change, I hit on the code to go back into my sprite and code my sprite. So this sprite is going to use the same sort of coding as my sprite over here. I'm going to hide it when the green flag is clicked, and then when it receives message 2, then I'm going to show it and do all of things here. So I'm going to start by adding the when the green flag is clicked, and then going back into looks to get the hide option. And then I'm going to add the when I receive message block, but I'm going to change it from message 1 to message 2. So going back into events, and there it is, when I receive message 2, I want my milk crate to show, and then I want to play the sound glug, which is the sound that comes with this particular sprite. And I'm going to use another one of those blocks again and use this arrow to record a new sound. And this time I'm going to say, once you have your orange juiced and it is now liquid, pour it into a container or a jug. Something like that. Just pick where I want to record from, save, change the name of the recording to 4, back on code, and drop down, select 4. Once that's done, I'm going to hide, and then I'm going to broadcast a new message, and this one's going to be message 3. Pause the video and see if you can do that. Finally, I'm going to add on my last sprite, and this sprite is going to be my glass. And so when I go into my choose the sprite menu, I can just look up glass, and you can see it just appeared there. So it's my glass of water. And like I did with my previous sprite, I'm going to code this particular sprite to, first I'm going to change its coloring. So it's blue because it's meant to be a glass of water, but because I'm talking about a glass of orange juice, I'm just going to click on all the different parts and change the color to orange. In the next video, I'll talk you through how to code and finish off your animation.